Hello everyone, welcome back to Roblox Studio Series Part 5. Today I'll be showing you how saving data works in Roblox. Okay, so let's get into it, shall we? As first, before we even attempt to save something, we need to have it enabled. So file, experience settings, go to security and enable studio access to API services. Okay, without this it won't work anyhow. Okay, I just changed the code a bit. Make a variable for players and do this. Okay, now we'll just make player removing event, which is the opposite of player added. Whenever player is leaving, it will just make this. Okay, that's simple. Now what do we want to do? We can either make functions like local function and this, or we can make it within this. For today we'll be just doing it without the functions, so we can make local data store services, game service, and data store service. Okay, nothing hard. My first database. Okay, data store uh, data store, my first database. Okay, nothing hard so far. And now we can make getting the data, and to get the data we'll be using get async. So that's basically local success error result, my bad, I'm sorry. And basically we'll be using a pickle function, which is protected call, which essentially just means if something goes wrong, then the whole script won't crash, just this part. Now we'll just first database get async, and we'll be using player user ID. Don't use player name because using player name is bad, just because the user can change his name. Okay, that's all. Okay, so if success and type of result is number, this is just checking whether the result we are getting from this is number. That's all it does. And then we'll do coins result. Okay, and we can do else failed slow data. Okay, that's all. Then we have loading, we don't have saving, so we'll do saving now. To do a save, I highly recommend you making a function. Okay, for loading it's like okay, yes, but it's not needed as much as for saving. So say local function save data, we'll be passing the argument of player, and we need to make locally data stats equals to player player first child leader stats. If not leader stats, then we will be returning end local coins find first child coins. If not coins, return end again, and local success error, because we will not be returning anything now, so it can be success error, but the error or result are the same things. Basically it just returns the error message if there is one. And sorry for using the word again, I'm really sorry. So my first database set async. When I will be using set async in later videos, I'll be showing you update async, which is better way to use it, because with set async you override the data very easily, so it's not good. Okay, and you can do player user ID again, because that's what we use, that's the key. You can also use, for example, like key underscore and connect it together. Okay, up to you. And we can say Well, it's not stable now, it's just the value, so we need to do coins that value. Okay, that's all, nothing else. And if not success, then warn error, for example. Okay, then we'll do this, and I will pass the argument of player to the save data, and this is very important, use bind to close. Bind to close just means uh, it waits a little bit before the server closes, so it has time to actually save. And you can do also this, and get players, okay, and save data player. Okay, this is all. And now when we run it, failed to load because we don't have the data yet. Okay, don't worry, first things it will be like this always. Really, don't worry about it. Okay, and now we will go to this coins, set a this. You can see I have 500. Now when I leave, you see Datastore request was added to queue, and now when I'll run it again, pow. Okay, simple. I have 500 credit. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just ask in the comment section, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.